3, 2, 1. Immediately, Tiger Sharks and Eagle Pride A go straight for the cubes, trying to get as many into their feeding system as they can. While they're collecting cubes, each team is trying to knock off these red cubes off their posts for 5 points each. Eagle Pride A with a ton of cubes into their system. At 35 seconds, you cannot switch drivers. Tiger Sharks with a lot of green cubes. They're going to go for the score, lining up, and they successfully dispense a ton of cubes into that goal. Eagle Pride A getting 3 purples into their goal. As we move to the end of the match, Eagle Pride A is going to go to try and score their green cubes. They successfully get 7 cubes into that goal. Both teams going for a park. Eagle Pride A gets it. All right, qualification match 41. We have 5813U Gummy Shark.